Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm repairing a Supor electric pressure cooker that's showing an E0 error code and won't heat. This code is a clear signal that there's a communication or circuit break, usually at the pressure switch. I measured the pressure switch and found its resistance was extremely high, acting like an open circuit. This switch sits on the 12 volts line that powers the relay. If it fails, the relay won't kick in. In this video, I'll show you how to verify the fault by disconnecting the switch and then replacing it with a new 15-2 heavy-duty unit. When installing a new switch, ensure the contact point is firmly touching the bottom of the pot. If it doesn't reach, I'll show you a simple trick using a coin as a spacer to ensure a perfect connection. Let's fix it.